Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Here I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. I'm going to grow the platform. You see, I'm on one reason to do self with one another. You see, we are going in a community and we are root out something we are going. You see, now we notice that all the black youth upon the streets of London perpetrate a high level of sadistic criminality because regardless of what go on, you have to be serious, you have to have some serious cold-blooded nature within yourself. I'm not talking about your intent, because sometimes your intention just spur of the moment, see it, and it happens without even concentrating or thinking, but to sit back and premeditate and sit and plan. And the way the youth of London do it, for them criminality so depraved, you see it, and which the police should have focused more effort and pay attention, because what go on here now is that the youth them do it because there's no real deterrent either for them criminality. Them go to jail and go to prison for a little bit and come back out as big, like basically superstar. And them come back out before them reach, when them are still teenager, them come back out. Them now spend the time in a prison. You see, compared to the other rest of place them across the world, where the youth them quite aware of the situation, circumstance them within prison, across the world, other rest of prison system and things like that and how it works as a deterrent. But for them, we now say prison is not a deterrent within itself over here by certain other standard. But when it come on to them youth, it come like it's not. Not coming like it is not, because the time not there, no pressure, no burden, not there for be them. It's like a boot camp, them go same way. You see, no disrespect. Jamaican parents come over here and them come from a depraved society where crime and violence and corruption is rife and things like that. You see it, and more than likely you expect say them a think back for through the love or where they come from and things like that. Them have some aspiration for go back or be a positive change. You see, hence the reason why them find themselves abroad. Hence the reason why them there in a snow a struggle when it's not them. Them not used to that. Them used to tropical climate, but them there, yeah. You see, expect them all live all them life. And the thing says, see, I try to create back a better space back home where them come from. No, them come at the people them place and I try turn it in the prison camp where them come from, the rockness where them come from. You see, because you see them youth the way you see a land are the nature of a fear where them seeing at them mama and papa house. Majority of them are Jamaican descendant. Majority, most of them. You see, cold-blooded, psychopathic nature. Them parents, now no recognition, nobody don't know them are Jamaican. They let them come abroad under the guise of yardy. And the patwa talking where everybody here, somebody attack patwa and just automatically think of Jamaican, stereotype, bad people, them, rate. You see, no militancy, no principle, no pattern whatsoever to nothing. Launch them children on the road in that cold-blooded vampire farm at Rasta where stab up people with knife. You know how cold. You know what sort of killer? At some nasty killer. At some serious rotten head. Sick people have the fortitude for stab up people, kill them, you know. Stabbing somebody is different from shooting somebody, you know. It's a cold-blooded, premeditated attack that in a rasta. All when you don't know the person the first time you see them, you already psych up yourself months ago, years ago. I'm prepared and I walk with a knife. Because you have to walk with a knife and have it for that purpose. And you did have to motivate yourself. For many months, many moons before you develop that psychopathic strength or ability to do that. Jamaican people bring them picnic come a foreign, come have picnic, grow them up in a them house where them live. That way there. Them not pick up that a street. It is a group effort, a community effort cause that. You see it? You see it? And a community delinquency, community culpability are facilitated today. Community sit back and go and enjoy it. The fuck of them sit down there and embrace it. Because the law does not affect them. You see, when them children here, the moment them children, the law starts to them children here, you could have banned a little more for you stab somebody or your parents and go back on a dirty country, save them now. Stop! The law now do not affect them type of change. You see, parents, the parents them, come and talk about, oh, we cannot do anything because I lie them, I tell them, love the excitement. Them who love the hype. Jamaican mama them love the hype and the father them love to know say, oh, we are name brother now, we are picking them a name brother, yeah, we're up in at it, people know it. And that, the unknown them, the undesirable them, the sick, sadistic, human them, dead with. The whole of them are that them dead with. One look bad and one come in a newspaper and know say, yeah, we do that high level wickedness there. For no cause whatsoever to no people, just from my own gratification, just people know say, yeah, I mean that. You know, see, I saw the mama them at people, every one of them. Me I tell her no. I saw the Jamaican mother and fact. I did that day, I see a little boy in a social media, stab up a big woman in a London. Big woman. What him need? I mean, what the woman could have did to him for affect him so much? Him prepare to do that before him even come across that woman there. Him prepare to know, regardless of the circumstance why him want to do that. Him have a reason why him want to do that to somebody. Why does the court and the authority allow them sickness here? Oh, you can in your house and your picnic grocery. Something no must wrong with you. Government, I want me attack. Something no must wrong with them, mama and papaya. You sit down there and talk about all the children, them a stab up one another. And them a do it on camera. I video it. I video them one another, I do it. I want to send them gap. I want to come tell me about, little picnic them we have video it. Even the picnic we have video the crime. No, say it all happened before it happened. No, say the boy have him knife on him. No, say the boy how do what him do. You know see it. You know see it. And everybody, him just video it. Him just dead there and see it and him see something go on and video it. A prison the whole of them forgot. You know see it. They both from mama, papa, I want to talk about different circumstances them there than a normal. And it's not no, this is not no accidental affair where happen just so. You know see it. I mean, this is a pre-planned, premeditated thing, a perpetrated by innocent people in the society because some people want fame, some people want status in them community, some people want to sell them crack and nobody not trouble them because them son, we stab them up. You see it? Or if you have opportunity to grow engineers, scientists, politicians, doctors, professional, free education. I want to motivate the children them, but that be them sole intent. Look at how it be acceptable any way, shape, or form. How it becomes a thing. Why? Because the parent them facilitate it with them, the nature where them bestow upon the home. And we are talking Jamaican parents. We don't know about African. We don't know about born English people. You see, Jamaica under some work this bumbo cloth. I'm not telling you no lie. You see it? For now the children, them ensure say, them get the desperate education that Jamaica need. At least people for all the rest of the nation are consequently leaders them. The people that are chasing out of the country make no come and other people country come and be a leeches. Before you educate the next generation for go back and challenge that the oppressive regime we running away Rasta. You know, validate everything where the stereotype it's created stereotype regarding I and I. You see it? With all of the opportunity where Babylon for do, Rasta, where Home Office for do, how the justice system for even have any form of, you know, compassion towards a Jamaican national now. Oh, you tell me, you give me 10 circumstances where Jamaican ghetto people come here, come triumph against all odds and be a positive contributory factor in this. You show me for it. Me not say it not there, you know. Me not say it not there. It there in abundance. You know see it. But how much I know about, how much we know about it? Eh? Show me the stereotypical depiction of Jamaicans now anywhere in a society, impacting society on a national level. You know see, and that the only can show me that in abundance 100%. You know see, why who facility, who create this, who allow this, are we, uno. And I lie people I'm tell upon uno, upon us. And I lie as a crew, as a people. And I lie Rasta. You know see it, compared to the nature of society we live in. You know see it. But where is the attempt for change, for try, modify, you know, clear up the image, fix up the image. You know see it, make the image incorporate with the music or with the positive side of the culture as it can be, as it's supposed to be. You know see it, as it is back home with the most of them come abroad, come grow up, gangster children. And Uno yourself wasn't gangster back home. I mean, what a sense. This yardy image. Who is a yardy at Jamaica? When nobody call me a yardy. When they at Jamaica, who love or respect. Which part of Jamaica? You hear anybody call them a yardy. Where in Jamaica you hear anybody calling anybody yardy? Eh? We in the music them, I must just sing them alone, sing it and them talk about happenings in incidents in America. You know see, but for that image, the people them destroy everything else for maintain the little dirty, stupid yardy image where every militant man from right across the world knows say I push over that when it come on to the real juice of things are the biggest informer that as a quint, him just start, all him liver, him start talk out. The whole of them, they were nothing in Jamaica. Them they even have a relative, we a stepper at Jamaica. No principle, them never have nobody for model, take a role model off and come here, grow picnic in a foreign. Cold-blooded picnic, them good have the picnic, them a stab up meat in a kitchen and practice them for be defense, for them defense, you know. That's how them do. Child cruelty that. Government for take one to pick me and we not lie. But anyone I want to wear speak if you gone out, they gone ask. I want to not dead and talk about. We not ball and we don't know about it. We are idiot. The rest of Jamaica are idiot. I know we will not tell newspaper and news media and TV, you not tell that, but we don't know nothing about it. A lie. You know, wicked bumbo clot. We don't create that. You know see it? Me and one of you know, me know me live on the yard, me come visit you know. Me who there watching on the children, me who there watching on grow stab up people in a Britain. Me watching on grow serial killer in a Britain. Me see it. Not that me encourage it because everyone I know, anyone I know, so me burn that out and try to youth them one side and try to push a positive reasoning in them head. Try make them see the benefit and the error of them ways. The benefit of what them are refuse and the error in them ways down the avenue. No youth boy I can't, or nowhere for that matter can ever say. Because I don't need a youth to defend me or defend my status or character or existence, Rasta. Eh? This is the reason. For the stabbing, we are going up on the road, the parents, them inspire them youth to come protect for them existence, for them give them status. It's a gangbanging thing. From the family come all the moment me I tell you now, I told Babylon love us. Because Babylon love us, so I investigate more in depth and send enough of the Jamaican parents are prison too. We along with the picnic. Out a road, I create them sort of something. For the day of Jamaica, you could do that. You could do that. You know, picnic could do that. Eh? Although a gunman or the areas, them school people there, a straight gunning and ganging. Kiana cried the same thing when the youth them a Jamaica do. And the same thing where the Jamaican them have spring them their brother do. Eh? That means that when you add up the whole thing is like say, our nature is criminality. It's not for address this issue any other way other than become a criminal and fall in the. I want me to hear that Rasta. Eh? You them can go to university right up to them last day without pay $1. And the government lend them all money to take them to university. All the one them were illegal. You see, from them find themselves, because you have some little slip through news. Reason being, when them young, Babylon to pressure them for papers. For them find themselves in the system and stay below the radar, believe you me, in general, usually when them reach university stage, before government pick up on them, say them now papers. And I watch ya. The education and the human rights system have its ways how them still have to go to university. And this is what enable them to get the visa because Babylon now go them and raise them and educate them and just let them go give them what's up. You know, see what I say? The focus and the concentration, I mean, not take that from Britain. When it comes to education, it dash way out the road, dash way to university level, dash way. Me not telling no lie, people. You know, they nowhere else in the world. And if them hurt them head straight in the hospital again for free, every Jamaican will come and come push them picnic in a criminality figure a prison with the picnic too. Wicked, nasty, selfish, dirty people them. You know, see it? Majority of them youth that we out there are going so. No matter how you hear them talking at the British tongue, majority of them is of Jamaican descendant Rasta. You know, see it? Majority. No matter whether the guy want third, fourth, fifth. And it's a freaking disgrace and nobody now call it out. Everybody sit on one side and talk about the youth them of London and the stabbing. And it's damn worthlessness. You know, see it? Coming from a place culturally and challenging as Jamaica is. You see it? It's unfair. For everything, all of the suffering, where politics and everything put us through in a Jamaica. The parents them come to England where them can go real politician for go change the thing, Rasta. And have the people them stab up one another road and I bleach out on yourself and put on a fake body. When you look at all Jamaican abroad, you wonder for them fake body and fake titty make for Rasta. Them people are abusive, no, but Mr. Lassie, I know. Mr. Jano, you're mad. And then I get up every day and not take no responsibility for no reason. I blame people and I ball out about how much plain load of people I get deported. Hey, you see, if I ever open my bumbleclad mouth again about nobody where I get deported on a plane, boy, you know what? You not defend nobody when I know about them. I don't know them character when them are the Rasta. You know, see it? And as a community, we just sit back and I go on like so we don't know. You know, see it? Except for when deportation time come. At them time, because everybody, it's like, you get aware of your mortality now. You know, see it? So everybody is affected by it. That's the only thing where everybody, you know, can see align with. You know, see it? Everything else is every man for himself. You know, see, it's that, you know, it's a damn disgrace, Rasta. You know, see it? It's a damn disgrace. And when society react, you know, act like, you know, a duck in the headlamp, or a deer in the headlamp. Like, you know, no one did that do all along. Like, you can't tell me that, Rasta. Tell Babylon that, because Babylon go on like say them naive more time and gullible. You know, see it? You know the reason for certain, hey, I want to know. Take responsibility for yourself. You're mad for there watch the next generation, the future, I waste them life away. And the only reason, because of careless boomer and careless pooper, we get real opportunity for the children, them opportunity where them never have for themselves, them get for them children. And what it, hey, I want to know. Tell me say a lie, me I tell, Rasta. Tell me say a lie, me I tell. Me know the type of people that we are suffer, me see them. But the one them we are speaking spoke in the British accent and British twang, when them Jamaican related, you know. No African descendant, you know, him no look or act like no Jamaican, Rasta. You know, see it? All when the two of them attack, born and grew a London or England and attack the basic local language where them born, you know the difference. And anybody want to challenge me, come do it right here now. Because all white people know the difference, so why wouldn't we? White people, you can't go around or no other race with that. So why we are going to deny that like saying that exists? When me see a Jamaican descendant on TV attack, oh my gosh, I cannot believe that my child would have gotten involved in something like that. I've never seen, I've never heard. You are Jamaican, we know. You can't hide. When an African are doing, we know. Says an African that. African descendant is an African. If his grandfather was African, his grandfather come over here and have his mother over here, so his mother British grew up in Britain and talk like him too. Talk like British can't talk the African tongue and then she have him. We still know there it print on him Rasta. It print and it's not them not deny it neither. You know see so it go standard. So it's not like we don't know how we are talking about or how we are talking about. We still we are watching every day. You know see. You take back them talk the Rasta. Take some responsibility for yourself. And educate the next generation to come benefit the community wide and the next generation. Yes, there's a lot of seduction and influence to lead them. That way there, because they see it all relaxed and allowing and accepting of this nature is the society. When it comes on to I and I, amongst I and I, you see it. You see it. Some can say, yeah, it's like, do them, make them do them thing. Where is our responsibility, Rasta? Where is our responsibility? Hey, I want to know. Think we hear that? Think we hear that? What list, man? What list is that for the majority? I don't know. I come talk about, oh, we can't. On a lie and wicked, no bomb. Nobody no lie and wicked like Jamaican in a Rasta. When it comes to denying responsibility,